Hey guys, it's Kevin. Today we're going to do another printer hunter that we get for parts only printer. Random cheap printer and try to save it. So this is EcoTank 2720. The condition is for parts. For parts doesn't scare us. Including shipping is $37. If you found a bit more effective on eBay, there's a website called Gixxen, Gixen. You can just put your eBay item number in and what's the maximum you want to bid, and it's going to bid a couple seconds before closing. Okay, let's take a look at this $37 printer. Everything's there and it powers up. That's a good sign. For parts printer like this, I don't do cleaning and nozzle first. First thing I do is check if there ink is in the damper. For the 2700 series, if you want to check the damper, you have to remove two screws, one from each side of the printer case. Then you can lift up the case. Once you lift up case cover, you can pull the damper out, and let's check. The black look full, so that's good sign. And the yellow is empty. So to draw the ink, we put a syringe at the ink outlet. Then we open up the covers for the ink intake. Now we draw the ink inside into the yellow damper. Once the ink is full, we can remove the syringe. The reason I don't do the cleaning and nozzle check first is if there's no ink, there's no point of doing the nozzle check. The built-in head cleaning usually only draw like a 1 mil or 2 mil of ink out of the print head. So to have this much air to get drawn out, it's just the printer just cannot handle it. After all the dampers are full and we put all the dampers back, now we start to do the head cleaning and print a nozzle check after each cleaning. There's lots of ink on the platen, which is understandable because remember the black damper is full. So during the shipping, so the ink is slowly leaking out of the print head. And there's almost nothing there, just a little bit black. There's misconceptions that excessive cleaning is going to damage the printer or print head. If I want to continue to clean the print head, better do not do too much. If you do a couple of them in a row without going back to the main menu, the printer will think you damaged the print head. And to avoid this, you just do 3 cleanings, go back to the main menu, and wait a couple hours, you'll be fine. So we just finished the second cleaning. You can see there's still lots of ink on the platen, but the second cleaning, all the nozzles are good. And the printer printed 600 pages, which basically is a brand new printer. This printer can easily print from 20 to 30,000 pages. And under the maintenance, after the printer cleaning, there's something called a paper guide cleaning. Basically, when you select it, it just run the paper through the platen. So any ink there will be on the paper, and keep doing it and doing it. Eventually, it'll clean the platen. So after 3 pages, there's almost no ink left on the platen. So we're ready to print. And it prints like a champ. Okay, don't get scared by the 4 parts printer on eBay. So $37 later, we get ourselves a nice new printer. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video. Visit us at www.bchtechnology.com or locally at Greensboro, North Carolina. Cheers.